G'day everyone, this is Pete's Investing, July 13, the spot gold price analysis. We've still got a mixed signal on our weekly showing bearish, and on our daily it's broken up into a bullish signal on our oscillator. And we've got a divergence which is currently in progress on the hourly. So first off, on the weekly, our oscillator is moving to the downside, so potentially declines, but notice the CCI is moving to the up as well as the price with that bull candle. So we may see a bit of a mixed signal here between the daily and the weekly. On the daily, you can see that it's bounced off this key support at 1910, and our oscillator is turning up, giving us this bullish signal. Likewise, the CCI is also turning up. There was a slight, I would call that a bullish divergence on the daily, and that goes right up to that point there, versus you would call that maybe a flat double bottom, and it's actually risen from there. Now these divergences don't always go too far, but they could be just a small retrace before taking further declines or further advancements, depending on which way they're going. You can see there was a bullish divergence on the price versus a bearish divergence on the CCI, and then eventually broke down and hit our target. And again, if you're new to the channel, our targets are usually the early Fibonacci ranges of that recent Fibonacci range. So at the moment, the daily is broken to the upside and bounced off this key support. On the hourly, at the moment, we've got this bearish divergence playing out on the CCI versus bullish on the price. Now, what I would do if I was trading this, if I was making profits currently on the gold price, I'd probably take profits while it's showing this bearish CCI. In other words, we may see a bit of a pullback from here. And once I suppose the CCI start moving to the upside again, then we could probably take further long positions. If I pull out, you'll notice as well there is a larger bullish divergence on the CCI here versus a bearish on the price. And we did draw this projection in last time. You can see, and that was the between the 38% and the 61% target area. You can see there that current price is not far off that. Now this could still rise and hit into our target range up here. So it has shown to happen many times where the price continues, in this case, to the upside, and the CCI continues to the downside. So that's not an issue, but eventually the CCI will take hold and the price will then collapse. So yeah, just that's the secondary target level. Our first target level was here. You can see there was a bearish divergence on that little range versus, if I zoom in there is a bullish divergence on that little range there on a CCI, and that was our initial target area. You can see that hit it in that point there, and then eventually hit it again here. So that always works out. So there's a couple of strategies here. The divergence are all independent on various timelines, and the different strategies to the trend following strategies with the weekly and a daily. They've got to be aligned. In other words, if in this case, if the daily continues to the upside on the bullish mode and the weekly breaks to the upside as well, then we'll take only predominantly bullish trades using any one of the many average down strategies I've posted in the past to trade that. So that's different to the divergence strategies, which are independent. So to understand how to trade this and other trading strategies, feel free to subscribe and make a donation to my Patreon page, where we also look at other strategies and also scan on weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.